Do you feel lost, out of sync with everything? Like you're not where you belong? You're disoriented? It's a very common thing that a lot of people feel. And the way to get out of that is you need to see your path in life. And it's really hard to see the path in life when you've got all this clutter in the way and you can't see it. So I'm going to tell you in this video how to help see your path in life. I said that in some of the other videos, but I think a lot of people aren't listening to it. They just don't get it, or they just don't want to do it. So I got to keep reminding them. But anyway, in the last video, I said start with the things you know you can control. You cannot control the economy or the banks or the money system or whatever's going on out there, but you can control you. You can control what goes in your mouth. Start with your health. Start with what you eat, drink, and don't smoke. And then start doing other things in your life. Start getting things in line. And that means get everything that needs to be done on your to-do list that's weighting you down, that you're procrastinating with. Start doing it. Start getting it done. And that means housework, things that start cleaning up the house, start paying your bills, start paying off your debts. Get rid of things that you know you can't afford. It's temporary. That's what you got to do. You got to clean up the mess that you're in order to go forward. You've got a lot of clutter. Get rid of 2/3 of what you own. Only keep what you absolutely need so you can move forward in life. That's what it all starts with, is uncluttering your life. Make up with your enemies, or at least distance yourself from the negative people in your life so they're not affecting you negatively anymore. You have to start cleaning up the mess that you're in so you can think clearly and see clearly and get going, because you cannot go unless you see the path. And if the path is cluttered, then you got to figure out what the clutter is. And like I said, it starts with what you know you can control. So everything that needs to be done on your to-do list needs to start getting done. All the stuff you've been procrastinating on. Clean up the garage. Fix the things around your house that need fixing. Fix the things in your job, in your workplace that need fixing. Fix the things with your friends and relationships that need fixing. Make up with your enemies or get rid of them. Just start streamlining your life, because that's the only way you're going to see your path in life, is when all that crap is taken care of and you're on your road and you can see it, and then you can start taking that road. Start with what you know you can do. And that's the stuff in your body, in your house, in your work, in your relationships. All the stuff in your immediate world needs to get taken care of. Because if you were to come across an opportunity with somebody who could get you to the next level, and they sense that you have a lot of baggage and that you're messed up and that you are a burden, they're not going to do anything with you. They're going to just pass right by. That means that wonderful relationship you're waiting for, as far as a personal loving relationship with a mate, or a personal relationship with a job, money, success, all that stuff. Those people, those things are not going to deal with you if you have too much baggage, if you have too much crap weighting you down. And that's negativity. People want to work with positive people who are ready to move on a moment's notice, who are very spontaneous, who are feeling good about life, excited about life. That's what you need to become, is somebody who's so lightweight with nothing burdening you down. Then this stuff just starts happening easily. And when the clutter is gone, you can start to see the road. You can start to see your path in life. The stuff that I'm telling you is so simple, it's so basic. These people that go after the get-rich-quick schemes, come to my seminar and flip houses, use other people's money, blah, 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 a lot of that's not going to work if you yourself are messed up and you've got negative energy in your life and you can't think straight. You got to start with the stuff immediately in your life that's holding you down. Then the stuff that's going to get you to where you belong is just going to come easy. First things first. First things first, my friends. I think it's time for me to go for a swim. It's just too nice here. All right, well, that's my next step. Got to do it in order to see the road, the path of life. You got to clear the crap out of the way so you can see it. All right, stay tuned for the next video. These are all the basic fundamental truths that anybody and everybody can do and should do in order to get going on their life and make their life happen. Because once you're better, once you're successful, once you have the power to do anything you want, then that makes you an asset to the world, and you can start helping the world. And that's what the world needs, is more people that can help the world rather than people just trying to help themselves and staying alive. It's not about survival. It's about everybody working together to making it work as an ecosystem. It's really a small world. Anyway, so I'll see you in the next video. I'm here to help you get on that path to life so you can enjoy paradise like you deserve. See you in the next video. Bye.